Occasion of the Maratha strongman Sharad Pawar completing 75 years and a political innings of 55 years. Well, the Prime Minister has released Mr. Pawar's autobiography, and the NCP leader, who has been the Chief Minister of Maharashtra 4 times, as well as a cabinet minister in several Congress-led governments at the centre, is well respected across the political spectrum.
A heavyweight in national politics and NCP President Sharad Pawar has completed 75 years of his life and a political innings of 55 years. On this occasion, his party has organized a grand function in Delhi. This program in honor of Pawar, a politician who has an image of having no enemies, was attended by none other than President Pranab Mukherjee, Vice President Hamid Ansari and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and leaders cutting across party lines were present.
If today India is the second largest producer of wheat and rice in the world, and converting the country from a net importer to net exporter, a substantial contribution has been made by him.
As a very successful 4-term Chief Minister, and virtually every important ministry in the Government of India he has handled with great diligence, great knowledge, great care.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi released Sharad Pawar's book On My Terms, whose first copy was presented to the President. In this autobiography, Pawar has detailed his experiences of political and social issues spanning 50 years. On this occasion, Prime Minister said that Pawar always worked for the benefit of agriculture and the welfare of farmers.
विषय क्रिकेट का हो, चर्चा क्रिकेट की करनी हो, लेकिन वो बात तुरंत किसान पर आ जाते थे. उनके मन मस्तिष्क में गांव, किसान और कृषि में भी आधुनिकता, innovations.
Advocating the need to run Parliament, Sharad Pawar said, "It is only through debate in Parliament that the government's shortcomings can be brought to the fore."
हुकूमत में बैठे वाले लोगों की कुछ कमियां हो तो वो सामने लाने का अधिकार है, मगर जब तक सदन चलेगा तब तक ही लोगों की ये समस्या हम सामने ला सकते हैं.
Known in the present times as Chanakya of the country's politics, Sharad Pawar has always been at the helm of politics and has often been in the corridors of power. Born on 12th December 1940 in a village in Baramati Tehsil of Maharashtra, he is the only leader of the state who became Chief Minister 4 times. An influential leader, Sharad Pawar was also at the centre, holding the posts of Defence and Agriculture Minister. A top national leader, Sharad Pawar has been seen as a visionary leader of contemporary politics who enjoys warm ties with leaders of several political parties. Sudhakar Das's report, DD News, Delhi.